Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete an Eventbrite account. Just go ahead over to eventbrite.com or open the app, and once done, make sure that you're logged in. Now once logged in, just go ahead over to account settings right here, click or tap on it. Alright, now once this load, hover your mouse into the left pane, which is right here, and as you can see here in these options, you will be able to find close account. Alright, now I want to click on it and wait for the website to load. Now once it loads, there will be a prompt right here. Thank you for using Eventbrite events. If there's anything we can do to keep you with us, please let us know. This is basically a report section. If you want to click on this hyperlink right here, just go ahead and do that if you want to. All right. Now it says here, please take a moment to let us know why you're leaving. All right. For example, the pricing is too high. The pricing is confusing. I chose a different solution. I do not host events. All right. If you want to add in some details, just go ahead and type in your details right here. All right. Once done, please enter close and your password to confirm that you wish to close your account. Just type in close, which is all capital letters, then enter your password. Once that's done, just hit on close account and wait for the process to finish. Now, as you can see here, it says goodbye for now. We are sorry to see you go. And that's basically how you delete an Eventbrite account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.